If we are very fortunate, our own relationships in our life can reflect this alchemical wedding. We feel it when we feel that we have found our other selves in our partners, and we have the experience, not of our partners being exactly like us, but of being different from us, but with those differences complementing our own. And perhaps the more perfectly this happens, the more it approaches the archetype of the Red King and the White Queen. The dove descends to bless us and smiles upon that rare marvel. The lovers can symbolize union between the self and another human being, between the self and humankind as a whole, between the self and the biosphere of which we are part, or between the self and the divine. All these types of marriage or union are important within spiritual alchemy. If we consider the alchemical marriage not only as a rite of sacramental passage in the individual lives of people, but as a union designed by a universal law or natural alchemical principle, with the alchemical principle between two parts that are empathetic and complementary of one unity, we understand that an alchemical marriage is the ideal state of a being. This is the real state of being where both parts can manifest perfection in emotions, actions, and thoughts with perfect alignment with divine will and the laws of nature. A truthful alchemical marriage is a natural cosmic union where each divine essence yearns to connect with the divine essence of the other part by natural attraction. This happens even before the empathies of the body can play any role. In ancient cultures, the marriage could not be consummated physically before the two inner selves had reached a sublime harmonic balance between themselves. The perfect marriages manifested in physical form are nothing other than the results of the marriage of souls, previously lived and experimented in its purest divine form. That is the origin of the famous saying, "A match made in heaven."